Hey there, researchers. Struggling to choose between Paperpal and Scispace for your academic work? I'll break down what each one offers, compare them, and help you decide which is best for you. Let's dive in. First up, we have Paperpal. It's an AI-powered writing assistant built for academics. Paperpal shines with real-time grammar checks, academic tone adjustments, and plagiarism detection. It integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and Overleaf, making it perfect for polishing manuscripts. Plus, its translation feature supports over 25 languages for global collaboration. Now, Scispace. This is your go-to for research discovery and analysis. Scispace offers a massive database of 285 million papers with tools like Chat with PDF to extract insights, AI-driven literature reviews, and citation generation in 9,000 plus styles. It's ideal for finding and summarizing research fast. So, how do they stack up? Let's compare. Paperpal is your writing buddy, great for drafting and refining papers with a focus on language and submission readiness. Scispace, though, is a research powerhouse perfect for literature reviews and data extraction. If you're writing a manuscript, Paperpal's your pick. Need to dig into research? Go with Scispace. Bottom line, choose Paperpal for polished writing, Scispace for research and efficiency. Or hey, use both for ultimate academic combos. Which one's your favorite? Let me know below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.